Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing or unboxing, I should say, my Play by Sephora box. It comes every month. It's $10.80. I like the Sephora Play Box because you know that everything you're getting is something that Sephora carries. I mean, and a lot of the beauty stuff that I get, Sephora carries. But just to know I could get Sephora products and kind of higher end is kind of how I see it. I get a little higher end products with this box. A lot of face care. You know, Sephora just has a huge range of skin products. So I'm always looking forward to that. And you normally get about 5 samples. And sometimes you get a bonus, so sometimes you get 6. So let's jump into this box. This is what it looks like when you open it up, and this is what your stuff comes in. So there's a bag inside the box, and it holds your things. You always get like a little fun sheet that comes along. This has the astrology signs, which I love. I love to read my horoscope. So that was nice. And then on the other side, it always lists your products and kind of gives you a little blurb on them. It doesn't tell you the price. It just tells you how to use them, and it kind of gives you a rundown of what each product is for. So this sheet is really nice as well. So let's get into this box. The first thing I have, and I've never heard of these or seen them, is called HUM, H-U-M. Beauty Starts From Within. Deluxe 3-day sample. Daily cleanse. Helps clear your skin and body from toxins. Dietary supplement. And there are 6 capsules, I believe, in here. Directions are to take 2 capsules with or without food. So I don't know how much I'd really be able to see if this helps me by taking 3 days worth, but I will take them and see if I notice a difference. I am currently on a clean eating diet, so I'm drinking a lot more water, eating a lot more fruits and vegetables. So I know that I'm going to see a difference in my skin. I always do when I stop eating the processed foods and the fried and fat foods. So this will just help me out during that journey. So I will definitely take these. Now, if I have any adverse reactions, I will be back quick saying, stay away. I didn't calculate the total, so I will put the total of the box down in the description. All right, moving on. This is, I love the box already. It matches my wall paint, my shirt, my eyelids. This is a good thing. So Laneige. It says water sleeping mask. So what is this about? It says a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Again, if you know me, you know I am for my face products. Now, I already have a face routine. I already have the products that I enjoy, but I'm always open to trying new products. If you're washing your face a lot or you're exfoliating your skin, you're really kind of cleansing away all those natural oils there. So it's important that we always rehydrate our skin. Like, even if your skin doesn't look dry, it can still be dry. So I've gotten into that where no matter what, I use the Aqua Bomb for my face day and night, and so I am always into hydrating my face. So I'm excited to use this. This is actually very nice. How to use it says 1 or 2 nights a week. Okay, so not every night. See, it's important to read these. 1 or 2 nights a week, or whenever your skin needs hydration, apply a quarter size amount, leave on overnight, and rinse in the morning. So a quarter size is a good size. So this may only last a few nights. I wonder if this is thick. Let me open it up because a quarter is a lot. Okay. No, it looks like my Aqua Bomb. It kind of looks, let me just dab it a little bit. Oh yeah, it's very thin. It feels kind of silky, like little silicone-y. As you rub it in, you can kind of feel the tackiness of it. So I'm actually excited to use this. Moving on. Okay, so this is an Origins charcoal mask. I don't think I've used a charcoal mask. I've heard good things about them. So let's read about this. This says a purifying mask that deep cleans skin and reduces the appearance of pores. It says clean up your face act with this clarifying mask that uses bamboo charcoal to remove extra oils that could lead to blackheads. And come on now. Don't we hate blackheads? So I can't wait to use this. Moving on. So I'm actually wearing this now and I like it. And I'm going to use it now to set my face, even though I've had my makeup on for a while. But this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Set and refresh. Oh, see? So I'm about to refresh myself. Ooh. So, this, I sprayed over my face before I applied my, foundation. And like, this foundation hasn't moved. Now my Marc Jacobs normally doesn't move anyway. It's really good foundation for me. But I've used it on different primers and I just feel like the finish of my makeup is flawless. Like I feel like you can not even really see pores, you know? So I think this is good. I'm gonna try it again under my Fenty because I normally use the Fenty primer with the Fenty foundation, but I'm going to use this under, and then I think I have a Becca matte. I'm going to use this under a lot and see if it's this or if this foundation is just that good. So let me go ahead and, so let me read how to use it. It says, hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away and mist onto skin. There's a tip. For an extra revitalizing mist, store in the refrigerator before using. Also, it could be nice and cool. All right, let me find that piece of hair and move it. I'm gonna give it a little shake. I'm gonna close my eye. Now I have mascara on. Normally, you wouldn't put finishing spray on before your mascara. At least I don't. But this is just to kind of wake me up. So I'm gonna focus on this part of my face. Forehead. And the thing is, it has such a nice fragrance. Like, I don't know, it's like almost perfumey, because when I first sprayed it on my face, I thought, oh my gosh, should I be putting this on my face or my neck? But it smells really good. So I'm just trying to dry that out a little faster, but we'll let that go ahead and do what it does. Like, let it revitalize my face. So that is this, and this is a nice size bottle. I can get a lot of uses out of here. I don't know if you see it, but it's filled up to about here. And what does this say? 5 ml. I don't know what that means, but I just know that I can get a few uses out of that. So we'll see. I'm going to try it under my other foundations and see what I think. And then I have, ooh, a lip pencil by Bite. And that's almost like a mauve. It says Stay Glace. Is a matte lip crayon, a high pigment lip crayon, and a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. You know, matte is taking over the world, okay? There's matte, everything is matte. I got into this game at the right time because I ain't like all that super shimmery lipstick, bright, all of that. I am into the matte lipstick. Now, give me some shimmery lip gloss, but for my lipstick, tone it down. It says how to use, line your lips, then fill the center. Tip, sharpen as needed and use the shavings to add color to your cheeks. They're saying sharpen, get those, and then put that on your face as a blush. I know that's right. You know, I talked about multi-uses for these products in my last video, I think for my Ipsy bag, and that's the truth. Like, don't feel like you are pigeonholed to use one product for one use. If you find an eyeshadow that you love and you want your lips that color, put it on your lips. If you find an eyeshadow that the shimmer is amazing and you want to highlight with it, highlight with it. Use it as a blush. Do whatever you want. Use your blush on your eyes. Use your blush on your lips. Like, you can kind of, you're in control. You can try it all. So I love that now with the makeup that they're starting to give people those different ideas, because I think for a long time we kind of felt like we were in a box. We had to, no, this is just my eyeshadow. I can't use this on my lips. It's your face, you know? So if you can use it one place, why can't you use it somewhere else? I mean, don't get crazy. You can't use mascara on your lips as a lip liner. I mean, so don't go too crazy, because you get those extreme people out there who want to do crazy stuff. Don't get crazy. Anyways, let's go ahead and see. Ooh, look at that. I like that tip. And I think you probably just sharpen it. I don't know. They said use the shavings. So look at, I just roll it up like this. So I'm thinking when it gets low, you put it in a pencil sharpener. See, I'm new to all of this. So sorry if this is like, y'all like, yeah, duh. But I'm thinking you put this just in a regular pencil sharpener, right? That you would do like your wooden eyeliner with. And then you take those shavings, you know? Interesting. We'll see. So let's go ahead. And I like the point because I can line and then color. So let's see what we got here. And I'm just wearing a lip gloss right now, so I don't like my lips to be dry. Ooh, this matches my lips very nicely. Little brighter than my lips, but the match is nice. It smells good too, like a dessert. Almost fruity or like a pastry. Alright, I lined the lip. Now let's go ahead and color it in. And if you watch my Ipsy video, I just did this with my lip liner. So look at how they are making it that way now. It even tastes sweet, as a sweet taste. The long wear formula makes skin look supple and smooth with every swipe. Orange peel wax seals and moisture. That's what it is, the orange peel. When I said fruity, that's what I was right. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. I love it. Oh, that is a beautiful color. Go ahead now, Play by Sephora. This I will definitely put in my makeup bag and like take this with me. This is a Della color right here. This is my color. Yeah. See, because I rather the focus be on my eyes. That's why I don't like bright lips. I rather do something dramatic. If I'm going to go dramatic with my face, my eyes are going to be dramatic. And then I'm going to mute these babies out because they don't need a lot of help. They're just, yeah, they just need a little color. Oh my goodness. See, and this is something. This is why I say these beauty boxes are very nice for having you try things that you would never think to try. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not looking for bite when I go into Ulta, when I go into Sephora. I don't even know which one of them would carry. Of course, Sephora does because it's coming in my Sephora box. But I wouldn't check for bite and say, let me look at it. And then I wouldn't look at this color, this old mauve color, and say, you know what? That's it right there. But this color is so bomb that now when I need to go re-up on this, I know what color I want. You know what I mean? Like, I love this color and I wouldn't have picked it. I wouldn't have picked it for myself, and it matches my blush. I mean, can we just take a look at this? Because I'm just like loving. I'm just loving the look. Sorry. I'm running out of power. So good thing we're at the end. So cute. I love this color. So this is like my favorite of the box right now. I haven't tried the skincare yet, so it might supersede this, but right now this is winning. And last but not least, they always give you a bonus. This month's bonus, and it's a hair care product. I'm never happy to see these. It says Nourishing Cleansing Cream, a hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures with botanical oils and rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. Key benefits: hydrates hair, eliminates flyaways, add volume and shine. As soon as they start talking like that, it's not for my hair. Flyaways, add volume. Trust me, this stuff up here has enough volume, and there ain't nothing in this pack gonna tame no flyaway. So this will be going in the bag that I take to work and that I pass out to the girls and say, here you go. So yeah, they will give you hair care, and you know, for some people that's a good thing. It's just not my thing. So that is it, guys. That is my Sephora Play, or my Play by Sephora box. Remember, it's $10.80 a month. You get 5 to 6 samples every month. And oh, and the last thing I didn't show y'all, so you always get a Sephora Play card with 50 points. So anybody who shop at Sephora, if you're a member, you get points every time you make a purchase. And when you get so many points, you can cash them in for products. I haven't cashed mine in yet. I have well over 15, maybe 1,500. I like to hold it because I think they said something about going to giving out like $25 gift cards or something. I'd rather have a $25 gift card, if I'm gonna be honest with you. But if they have something that I really want to try, I got like the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer with 100 of my points one time. So sometimes they will have things that I want, but I just kind of let them add up. So anyways, you get this play card, and this card is always good for the use in the month that you get your box. So this card is good for any purchases I make in January, and it expires at the end of February. So as long as I use it between now and the end of February, when I shop, I'll get an additional 50 points added to my rewards. And sometimes they'll tell you like you have to spend a certain amount, like $20, or get a full-size product. They have recently allowed you to use these online, because before you couldn't, and that was a hassle because I shop online all the time, and so I would have to go into the store to make sure I get these. But what does this say? Use this card online or bring it into the store and chat with a beauty advisor about how to master a cosmic look. So sometimes they give you bonuses. So in addition to that, I can take this card in and say, girl, you about to talk to me about this cosmic look or whatever, hook it up. So this also gets you like a little makeover. Like it's normally like 15 minutes. So these cards are nice too. These are in addition to all the products you get your little 50 points. So if you guys like my video or you liked any of these products, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos to come. I am just getting started. All right, guys, thanks for watching.